Okay, the roof has been top coated. It's now bone dry. So it's had one coat, but it's going to have a few more. Anyway, so I've rubbed down the sides, given them a coat of grey primer, and I've filled here. You can just see this filler here. That's just covering up the little lines that I can see. You can see it's all the way down the boat there. Next job, give a rub down. I've also made a bold colour choice. I think that's going to be a bit too much, but it looked alright in this. Looks better in the sunlight. It's a bit bright, isn't it? We'll see. It's not going to be glossy. It's going to be like a matte finish, hopefully, on the side there. There we are. She's all ready for a first coat of the top coat colour. Hopefully it'll be a nice one and everybody will be happy with it, but it's a bold choice. Anyway, that's tomorrow's job. Give it a wipe down first thing in the morning, quick coat of paint. Away we go. Okay, are we ready for the big reveal on what colour Laura is going to be? Well, maybe not. Let's have a look. Boy, that's green. Yeah. Now, I'm a big fan of wild and wacky colours, but even I'm struggling with this one. I think we'll have to leave it up to Debbie, see what she thinks. So there's a few bits and bobs that I've missed on the filling, so I'm going to do them. Again, touch them up and coat them. So it needs at least one, maybe two more coats on that. And I've put like an agent in there that's sort of like a little substance that you put in there to stop it being as high gloss, which meant coverage isn't as good. It's sort of thinned the paint out of it. Anyway, off to Wigan to get water, which is that way, and I'm facing that away. So I'm going to reverse back. There's a bridge just there, and Winding Point, Winding Hole, and go to Wigan, fill up with water, come back again. We'll crack on. Lovely shiny roof now. It's beautiful. Well, just from camera, up close it was rough as hell. I'm going to have to get on with that. I just coated it up for now because I thought I might as well protect it, stop any more rust getting out. I'll only have to start reapplying primers again, but so I've given it a go that. I might even think about, well, I am thinking about using the floor paint that you see knocking about. There's a geezer on Facebook groups, and whenever anyone mentions about what we're painting our roofs with, he always puts floor paint, and I kind of think, well, maybe he's right, because paint really isn't anything specific. It's just a sacrificial coating, this one, for the roof. It's going to get walked on. I can remember doing many a job where I've used floor paint on treads, so why not? Let's give it a go. Let's test his theory. I don't know his name. If he watches this, or anyone knows him who watches this, can you let him know that we're doing this? And then if anyone asks him again, he can always put that we've done it and this is how it works. Oh, little duckling, baby was only one left. I don't know if you can see that, but up in the distance duckweed. A few people have said the Wigan flight's not busy this year. It's Friday, it's a lovely day, it should be teeming with folk. That bridge over there, that's the end of the canal. To the right there is, to the starboard side is the Wigan flight. I'm going to moor around there. Skip by this moor. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Enjoy. See you later. Flight. We're heading over there to get water and that. There we go. Top look at Wigan. Multis facilities, including toilets, bins, L-SAN. Oh, it's a showers. Oh. Oh. Where is the showers, it says. Oh. Section back there, that short little section that runs maybe a couple of hundred, maybe 100 yards or so past the end of the Wigan flight there, that was built to annoy the railway company because they had to build a bridge over it. I don't even think the railway's there anymore, but yeah, just read that at the top of the Wigan flight there, 1834 or something like that. Shows how petty people are, isn't it? Why do birds stand on one leg? That goose was just stood there on one leg. Bit wobbly though, I think it needs to work on its core. But yeah, I always wondered that. Hello. Oh, if you want, yeah. Tango, shut up! I'm tired now. Yeah, I think mixing beer and wine. Went to Wigan and drank a full bottle. Coming back, drank another bottle. Water. So I must have been a bit dehydrated.